Welcome to Auto Apex, your destination for the world's most advanced and futuristic cars. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Audi's most innovative concept vehicles, the Audi AI Trail. This isn't just an SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of off-roading and autonomous driving. The Audi AI Trail is a fully electric, all-terrain concept designed to offer an entirely new experience for those who love adventure without boundaries. With its futuristic design, glass, heavy body, and drone-based lighting system, the AI Trail looks like it belongs on another planet, but its purpose is very much Earth, focused to explore nature responsibly without emissions, noise, or limitations. The price for a production version of the Audi AI Trail is not officially announced since this remains a concept vehicle for now, but based on its advanced tech, unique structure, and Audi's high-end EV strategy, experts estimate a potential price tag ranging between $150,000 to $180,000 if it ever makes it to limited production in the United States. Under the hood, or rather, across all four wheels, it's powered by four individual electric motors, each dedicated to a wheel. This allows true quattro all-wheel drive capability without the need for mechanical linkages. The combined output is around 429 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque, which is more than enough for rugged terrain. One of the most talked about features of the AI Trail is the absence of traditional headlights. Instead, it uses a fleet of autonomous drones equipped with lights that can fly ahead and illuminate the trail. These drones are controlled by the vehicle's system and can also return to the roof-mounted charging docks when not in use. Inside, the cabin is minimalist but high-tech. The dashboard is basically gone, replaced by a smartphone dock that acts as your interface. The windows wrap around nearly the entire vehicle, offering stunning 360-degree views, perfect for scenic drives deep into nature. The seats are made of lightweight material, and some are even removable to use outside the car, making your off-grid camping experience even more immersive. The AI Trail also integrates Level 4 autonomous driving, which means it can take over completely in predefined areas. You can just sit back and enjoy the landscape, while the car does all the work. However, manual control is always available when you want to take over, especially in challenging terrains. With a range of 250 to 310 miles on regular roads and around 155 miles on rough off-road terrain, the AI Trail's battery is designed for extended exploration. The tires are oversized and embedded with smart sensors that adjust air pressure depending on the surface you're driving on, giving you unmatched traction and safety. Audi is not just redefining the SUV, it's redefining the way we interact with nature. The AI Trail is a promise of zero-emission exploration combined with advanced technology that puts the driver, or no driver, at the center of a bold vision. Thanks for watching Auto Apex. If you love futuristic cars, innovative EVs, and concept tech that feels like sci-fi but is rapidly becoming real, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments, would you drive the Audi AI Trail deep into the wilderness?